All right. This time there is sound, so I'll do it again, and this time you can hear me. So today we're going to add, but we're going to shade the decimal model. So it's important to remember that every giant square like this is equal to a 1. So this is 2 of them. So I would shade in 2 whole things here. This one, I'd shade in 1 whole thing here. And then each tenth is 1 row of the 1. That's a tenth of 1. Each hundredth is a 1 square within that 1. So to solve these problems, I'm simply going to shade in the values of the things that we're adding together. So we're going to start with 2 here. So I'm going to fill in two whole things. So I'm going to fill in this whole block because this is equal to 1, remember? So 1 is this whole block. I'm going to fill in this whole block, which will be 2. Okay, so that's 2. That's these 2 holes here. Now 4 tenths. I'm going to do it in this one because I still have a whole nother number to go. So I'm going to do 4 tenths. So this whole row is a tenth. This whole row is a tenth. This whole row is a tenth. And this whole row is a tenth. Okay, that's these 4 tenths. Now 6 hundredths. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to do it over here. So 1, 2, 3. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 hundredths. Okay, so there's my 6 hundredths. Now here I'm going to do the 1. I'm going to fill in a whole nother one, which is the 1 here. There's that 1. Another tenth, which is a tenth here. So there's 1 more. And then 3 more hundredths. So I'm going to come over here to hundredths. Alright, and then when I add this all up, I have 1, 2, 3 holes. 3 holes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths and 9 hundredths. 3.59. Now, if you want to just check it, just to make sure that it's correct, you can actually add it. You can do 2.46 and 1.13. When you're adding decimals, just make sure the decimal point lines up. Notice the decimal point lines up. I can just drop it down here. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's what you're going to do with the rest, 4 through 8. Really simple.